week I'm testing the Mazda CX-30. It's a small 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Mazda CX-30, there are ISOFIX in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and lovely and easy to connect to. On the back of all three seat backs, there are top tether anchorages within plastic guides and easy to access through the boot. Now, I found I could only fit 2 child seats in the back here. There wasn't enough space for a third one in the centre, and I also found I could only really just squeeze in between them, but my shoulders were definitely really tight. Now, legroom is a real consideration in the back here, as is headroom. Now, with a forward-facing child seat, we found we only just managed to travel with a 182 centimetre passenger in front of them. And with a rear-facing child seat, I could fit in the driver's seat, but really nobody above about 165 centimetres. Storage in the back of the Mazda CX-30 is quite minimal. There's just one small mat pocket on the back of the passenger side front seat that will hold but not conceal an iPad. There's a fold down in the central seat back that does have 2 cup holders. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. And the door bins are a good size. They will hold a large refillable water bottle. In the front, the storage is better. There are 2 cup holders in the central console that will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a little phone charging well. The central console storage box is a really good size in the front here. It was surprising how large it was. The glove box is a good size. It will hold my iPad and my wallet easily with the manual. There's a glasses case in the ceiling, and the door bins are a good size. They will hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's a bit more space too. Let's see how much we can fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-30. Empty 10 shopping bags will fit, or a twin side-by-side stroller will fit with no shopping bags. Silver Cross have also kindly provided us with some prams, so we'll see how well they fit too. The Silver Cross Wave double pram with bassinet and seat will fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-30 with no bags beside it. The Silver Cross Pioneer pram with bassinet will fit with 1 shopping bag. The Silver Cross Pioneer pram with seat will also fit with 1 shopping bag beside it. The Silver Cross Coast pram with bassinet will fit with no shopping bags. And the Silver Cross Coast pram with seat will also fit with no shopping bags. The Silver Cross Jet compact pram will easily fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-30 with room for 6 shopping bags. A medium-sized dog will also fit in this boot. Thank you again to Silver Cross for providing these prams. Please visit their website at lower-spec. The CX-30 is a nifty little car to drive. It's actually really nice, but there are some considerations. I find these wing mirrors really obstruct view out of the side fronts, and also I don't really see anything past these pillars, and you really rely on that blind spot monitoring. The media system in the Mazda CX-30 is the new system, so you use a roller down in the central console to navigate around. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is great. When I put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and clear, and you do get this overhead image as well. And you can turn the parking sensors off with a button down by your right knee. So to sum up with the Mazda CX-30, it's a nippy little 5-seater family car. It does only get the 2 child seats, but that media system is good.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.